Hi everybody, so this is gonna be video instruction for SaCrafters product. This is animal carousel. Let's start it. I'm gonna show you how many pieces you're gonna get in the animal carousel. So you get this piece, and then small piece, and then the big piece, and you get 6 animals. One of this one, the horses, camel, lion, and you get one of these pieces. Okay, 4 pieces of those, and then you get 6 pieces to the top part, and you get 6 pieces to this. Okay, let's start it. So you wanna start, I recommend using the tacky glue here. It's Aline. This will work perfect, or you can use any glue. So you're gonna put this one in there. So you're gonna put the glue on there. So I'm not gonna use the glue. This is just the video instructions. So I'm gonna use this piece, the big piece. Again, you wanna use the glue in here to make sure your pieces stay together. Okay, so you can put that one right there, and into between this, you can see it. Right there. So I'm gonna move that on the side, and then so you see this hole, and here's gonna be this pair, and this one gonna be pair. The one have the tab, the slot tab, that's mean gonna be on the top of this one, right? And for this one gonna be in the top of this one. Make sure before you start, make sure you know where you line up. See, make sure you tap it line up, otherwise it will not go really well. So make sure you tap it line up. I think I got that one right, so I'm gonna mark. So yep, so I want to make sure I got this one right. Yep. And for this one, I should make sure that I got this one is not line up right. It look right to me. No, this one a little bit is not line up right. Nope. Nope. This one perfect. So this is the pairs. So this one gonna be a top part. This one gonna be a bottom part. So the bottom part we're gonna use these 6 pieces that it around here, and this one gonna be 6 pieces right there. So on this hole here it's gonna be that tab slot, so we're gonna start this first. So make sure that one line up. So I mean that dot corner. Let's see. Okay. Right there. Right there, and the last one is like that. So now we saw the mark. So this one, so I recommend you guys use the glue, and this one gonna be right there. Okay, so recommend you guys using the glue. All right, So this one gonna be a bottom part. Okay, see, okay, all right, that's glue part. And again, this one, so make sure this one is also line up with this one is a hole. Make sure a hole is line up, otherwise it might not be line up right. Cricket, that one is not right up like, no, it's not right. This one look perfect. This is perfect. So this one I'm not gonna be here, so I'm gonna mark, so I'm gonna make like a star right here. So that means this piece, alright. So we know how to rotate this one to match up, alright. So this is the mark is for this one. Okay, again, this one is going to be on here. So make sure this one line up. What I mean a line up, this is on the edges right there, okay. Right there. This looks perfect. So I'm gonna speed this video real quick. Okay, now I'm going to put this one back. So it's time to put this one. So make sure you the glue. You make sure all your pieces line up right. See, click in there. So this is gonna be my piece, the top piece. So, and we'll find my mark. Where is it? Right there. So you want to put this one here, right? This piece. So because you want the carousel to spin it. So you're gonna glue this piece on those slots. Put your animal in there. And remember the mark. And put that one in there, and so you're gonna put this one in the slot and glue them one at a time. So just make sure your hand hold this one really tight. That's the trick. Okay, spinning around and it depends on where you want to face your animal. I think this one needs to face that way, one direction. Okay, thing. Yep. Yep. So after you glue those one, right? So, and this piece, the small piece, you want to put that one there, and you want to glue, do not glue this piece to this one. It's otherwise your carousel cannot spin. You want to glue this piece to this one and leave a little bit one, maybe a quarter in gap between the space, you know what I mean? Between this piece and to this piece. So you do not glue this this piece to here, otherwise your carousel cannot spin. That's it for instruction for animal carousel. Thank you so much everybody for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.